Okay, so we have iPod and an oscilloscope that I picked up from Goodwill. It was only 35 bucks. And it works. So that's cool. And I've wired up a headphone jack to it, and we're going to play some music. Okay, so first it's playing. Green light's on. No image on the scope. Oh, there it is. Oh, you can see that it's doing something. Drifting around. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. Oh, it looks so good. So that's Alva Noto. On an oscilloscope. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Oh God, I love it. And if you want to hear what this sounds like right now, let's do it. Let's turn this off and unplug it. As you can see, it's very dark, electronic. Cool. Now we're gonna test out a few different modes here. I'm terrified of this thing not working anymore, so I'm desperate to preserve its beauty. Right now, you can see, let me get... some light on right now. There we go. Oh. Okay. Horizontal frequency selector. We're at 10,000 cycles, and that's what that looks like. If I bump this up to 10,000 cycles, see how it evens out that a lot? Now if I drop this down to 100, see? Very different appearance. Vert gain. I can't get it lower on the scope for some reason. The vertical position knob is too far that way, and if I turn it, it goes out of the screen. But it doesn't drift anymore, which is awesome. So, very cool.